For the best sound, you have to be as close to your microphone as possible. But what if your microphone is mounted on top of your camera and you have to move around? That's exactly when you need a wireless microphone. Here are the top 10 reasons why the Neewer wireless microphone is a great pick for realtors and content creators. The Neewer wireless microphones are simple to use. They're ready as soon as you open the box, no tweaking needed. All you gotta do is just hook it up to your camera or your phone and you have high quality sound. The most important part, the receiver has a plug and play system, letting you shoot right away. You can see your menu system screen right onto the receiver. You can also check the battery levels of your transmitters directly on the screen. You can also set the decibel levels right onto the receiver by clicking this button here. Just like AirPods, the case charges the microphones as soon as you put them in the case. What I really like about this feature is that you don't have to plug in your microphones and receivers separately with like a bunch of USB cables. Everything fits directly into your case and is charging in the case in between your shots at your shoot location. This microphone is very adaptable. You get 2 sets in the pack. So that will allow you to record sound from 2 mics into 1 receiver. Now this is great for interviews, podcasts. It lets you record separate sounds without sharing a microphone, and that will make your editing much easier. This is really cool because if you have 2 different audio tracks, you're not syncing them up in post, and it just takes a lot of time. Personally, I know I don't really like doing that, so this is a great feature to have when you have 2 people that are on the mics. The Neewer wireless mic is really well made. Everything from the receivers to the transmitters and the charging case. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And it also comes with a really strong magnet, which clips on right behind the transmitter, so it won't fall off your shirt even if you move around quite a bit. There's about 3 ways to clip on this microphone. You have the onboard clip on the transmitter right here, so you can just clip this on onto your shirt and you're good to go. One of my favorite ways to use this transmitter is with the lapel mic. You can just click this right into here. Run the wire underneath for a more professional look. Sound quality is very important. This mic has a lavalier input to improve sound quality, but the mic itself actually records really good audio and can help you reduce wind noise with this wind muff that comes in the kit. This is super helpful when you're shooting outdoors. The Neewer wireless microphones are not just for cameras. They're really good for smartphones as well. Whether you're creating YouTube videos or creating content for Facebook or Instagram, this mic can adapt easily with all those channels. One of the most challenging and annoying things when you're recording audio or shooting talking heads is when your audio drops. This Neewer microphone comes with an internal recording feature, which allows you to record up to 4 gigabytes of audio. It's simple as pressing one button directly on your transmitter, and this way you'll never lose audio, no matter how far back you go. While there's so many other expensive alternatives for microphone sets all over Amazon, the value and the price point that you get for the Neewer wireless microphone is next to none. You might be shooting on your iPhone or Android, hopefully not an Android. As you scale up your production and get a professional camera, this audio kit scales with you. With great audio systems like this, you'll be able to shoot a lot more content very efficiently. And now only if there was a way to take your content and edit it in that same speed. I would like to take this moment to introduce you to SubMagic. SubMagic is an AI video editor tailored for creating vertical talking head videos for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's designed to make video editing easy. It adds captions and subtitles to enhance your talking head videos. You can add sound effects, AI zoom cuts, and AI B-roll. This is such an amazing tool for anybody who's looking to enhance their editing game without needing extensive technical skills of video editing. You can start with a free trial and see how it simplifies your video editing process.
When I'm there, you can't take that away from me.
For all our viewers watching this, we've partnered up with SubMagic to extend a special discount to you. You can check that out in the description below. So in conclusion, if you're a realtor or content creator and you're just starting out with your videos, having the right microphone can really improve the sound quality of your production. I think the Neewer wireless microphone system is a great choice. It's very simple to use and it provides various different audio needs for your production. And as always, if you're interested in more tech gear for realtors and content creators, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel right here.